Today's home tip is to know what type of electrical panel you have in your home or the type of wiring. It's always a good opportunity before you list your home to know these kinds of things. In the past, there was an older system called knob and tube wiring. And if you're purchasing a home now and an insurance company knows that, they will make you replace that, and it can cost you $10,000 to $20,000 to do that. You may have aluminum as opposed to copper wiring in your home. So you also, insurance companies will make you have an electrician or ask you to have an electrician come in to make sure that everything is grounded and done right. So before you list a home, it's always a good idea to have an electrician come to your home, if it's not a brand new home or something built maybe after 1980, to see how your electricity works in your home. You kind of want to look to have something like this. This is a 200 amp service. It's more desirable because you have room on your panel to add additional appliances. If you only have a 100 amp service, ask the electrician as an estimate how much does it cost to upgrade that to a 200 amp service. If you have fuses in the home, those little glass things, again, you want to see how much does it cost to replace that as well, and allow them to do the assessment of the home if it's aluminum wiring, any of that kind of stuff. What you want to do is have an assessment or estimate to find out how much all that's going to cost to upgrade, in case you have any pushback from the buyer saying, well, it's going to cost me $10,000 to do this, and you're like, no, the estimate actually says $2,000 you could present. So this makes your home a little bit more sellable when you have this information.